Good afternoon, everyone. Anthony Wall Street Trader, 3:54 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on Friday, November 26, 2021. Sorry, I have a cold, and I'm going to try to get through this without coughing. Anyway, not financial advice, educational. Click the subscribe and the bell, etc., etc., etc. We're here to talk about Fetch.Artificial Intelligence. So we have an area here of support right now. Support looking around 70 cents. You can see back here, roughly around there. We've had a higher level of support recently. We'll see how this pans out. Current area of resistance around 80 cents. We were starting to break through it, and then everything happened at the macro scale. We'll talk about that in a second when we get to Bitcoin. However, right now, line of support 67, line of resistance 80 cents. So probably like 70 cents is more like the support line. In the meantime, Fetch Bitcoin also under pressure, just like everything else. However, line of resistance right now 1239, line of support at 1237 or 1239, and line of resistance at 1407. In the meantime, Bitcoin 54,500 and change. Definitely doing a little dippy-do below this this blue line of support. However, 54,000 seems to be roughly the other area of fixed support on this line here. So we're going to see how this thing plays out. Worst case scenario, in my view, is pull back to 48,000. However, I don't necessarily think it's going to go there, but it could because I'm starting to see this downward pennant looking thing over here. So we have to be a little concerned about a drop down further. But at the same time, when you look over Bitcoin dominance, it paints a whole different story, which is that there's not much fear in the overall altcoin and overall crypto market. So 54,586, pretty significant drop overnight. But I think overall, the stability of altcoins in relationship to Bitcoin tells a completely different story. So I think we could be in for a bounce, but don't never say never. I'll keep you posted, especially on this pattern here, looking a little bit sketchy. The downward pennant action sometimes results in a downward price action, so we'll have to keep our eye on that. In the meantime, Fetch US dollar looking okay at an 70 cent support level, 80 cent resistance. Talk soon.